If you're encountering the CS2 Cloud Save Error 2025, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue effectively. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official game server status page or social media channels to see if there are any ongoing server issues. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart the game. Close the game completely and restart it. This can help refresh the connection to the cloud save service and may resolve temporary glitches causing the error. Step 3. Verify game files. If you're using a platform like Steam, right-click on the game in your library, select Properties, and then choose the option to verify the integrity of game files. This process will check for any corrupted files and replace them. Step 4. Check internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. A weak or intermittent connection can lead to issues with cloud saving. Try resetting your router or switching to a wired connection if possible. Step 5. Update the game. Make sure your game is updated to the latest version. Developers often release patches that fix bugs and improve performance, including issues related to cloud saves. Check for updates in your game client and install them if available. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the cloud save error and continue enjoying your game. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.